Pubor jongi mentaka janmian. Haswa bangin poi shiki kubor ki babnia ngenya petshwa yiki mat ki kongsan. Pan unang yalam kalyang persya umukul sangma bandan ka Commission of Inquiry haka jing akan at hari lum garo keno badko ka jing trekam bad jing bom sutnyaw haka sanhima. Kintat unang yalam kalyang persya halor ka jing keno ya trelang bat ka National People's Party ulaang baka jing trelang ha KHASI cooperation ka day na markidaw bom laban kiar. Tambor ka kinhun le no ka United Liberation Front of Assam Independent ya ka kitam pulit hatin sukya mensaw saungut ki pulit komando bat lapen kit iki sa Assam Medical College. Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ulalong ukli nongyalam balabat slam tam ya ka kamlong sensyar India tam wadya upawan Kumar Chamling ha kaba ka jing sensyar jong u kalapoy syaka prahajar khandai spotlight waste ni. Mentangin pai shiki kubor nekalengka jela. Unang yalam kalyang persya umukul sangma uladawa bandan daka Commission of Inquiry hakabayade bakajingkin at badang shen hagaro hills daka bakinno bakadon ka jing deko haga jing penyat haka sorkar jela kabalawanra ya jing yakin at jat bandriu hadu bandawanra ru ya jing yap haka soskular balapha sya ulat ke jela UCH Vijay Shankar Haraj Bhavan hinnin kasngi usangma ulakenno baga jing kulmar kalami nakadaw jangka jingle bom sutnyaw hakalyang kasanhima baga jinga sela batki kam bomman kabadan haka jingya day batki election sya ka district council arhajar arpunriu ulakadaw ya bunteli kimat bakin thop ya ka jing dawa jang ki kunhuan seng phalang karilum garo ban omsha iki bomde ki pat riulum ban yakon ya ki election cha ka council ka jing tho ka badan ka jing bomshai bal pelai the former chief executive member jang ka GHADC bar ka jing ya kenno ya ka jing ya kendo babean ha phulbari da MLA barim.
An independent inquiry by invoking the provision of the law under the Commission of Inquiry Act 1952. Let there be a Commission of Inquiry, which will go into the details about the genesis, etc., how the overall unrest and violence unfolded. It is very important for proper investigation to collect the kind of inputs which is consistent with the actual incidents at the ground zero, and therefore leaving no room for any negative narrative which can generate different perception.
Unang yalam kalyang persya umukul sangma ulapen pawi gajing snokya halor ka jingle ajung kipulit harilum garo da ka bamaham baka jingkem na phangi kibriu kala banang kampenjur ya ka jing e hakajaka banwandra ya ka jing sung habakren shikilat pathai kubor hadien balaa ya ka soskular sya ulat ka jila UCH Vijay Shankar usang ma ulakenno baga jingkem ya kibriu lak le khlam kanu ka jing penshisha laki day ki badan ktini em haga jingja ulamaha bakum kini ki jingle kala ban pendu ya ka hok jing bishar kala ban pen khebyang ya ka jinga kin a jing kibriu bat ailad ikitu ki badan kti shisha ban lan ula banjur baga jing kembriu ka de ban long hadien balale ya ka jing toket baga jing penshisha dak babat scam ya ka nongrem bandawat ya ka jing shisha kat kum ka jing toket bat yadai ki nong shong shnong kat kung ka jing ong jong ka jing shim ya ka sien jam trekam ka long tang ban pen i ka jing stat ban pen tre hendrei kanang ktapat ya ka sukasan.
Population of narrative which is creating a general perception that law enforcement authorities are carrying out arrests in random and indiscriminate manner without proper verification of facts or involved. Such perceived actions can lead to miscarriage of justice. Every action of the authorities must be seen as being done on good faith, with no bias but in a transparent manner, with the sole intent of ensuring administration of justice in the right earnest.
Unang yalam kaliang persya umukul sangma hinin kasngi ula kentat ya kajing kentho syapang kajing don kajing yasngu thu jingmud bar kajing trailang hakasan hima bakaseng National People's Party dak baong bagajing trailang jong ka TMC NPP Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council kalong nakadaw bak kham kerpang ulaong bagajing persyang ban penyade ya ka e kabalong ha GHADC batkasan hima hagajela kalong kabayalay kat kum ngusang ma kajinga trailang jongki MDC kalong namar pekidon kidaw badon kam kajinga trailang usang ma ulap pensyai bagajing penbet kalong bet tang ban penbet yigijing e kibayade bat kitan bat pentikena ban wanra ya kasukasan bat kam de kabaladon kajinga ngothu ha kasan hima barakawe ulaban ru baladon kajing pen sapriang jingtem ban pen ngothu bakla ya kajinga trailang namar kani kajingja.
Can the election to Garwell's Autonomous District Council be held without amending this existing rule, without complying to the demand of the people? No. So therefore, we would like to see that, okay, there's a conducive environment created for a mutual coexistence of our people across communities, that our people in future can live in harmony, progress and prosper in harmony. We share the same desire of ensuring that our state progress and prosper in a manner that we all desire.
Kajaka penyengkali badang syidap shnatmai kababun mala ni ka multi-level car parking kabadon hajan ka sekretariat kalasdang bansaki kajing donkam jongka Hadian bun tayo balapli yaka da umenteri rang bak jela u konrad ke sangma menhakan driu tarik urempang. Yakan iga jaka penyengkali lasna na kabenta ban penduna yaga jingtheng kali hasor shilong. Dang shen labun ki bekedaw bahadin balapli yaka ke kerdop jang ketika jaka kayai peteng ban khang. Ndrai hakini kisngi bamenta hadin balapli ke kerdop ladon ki katu kat niki kali ki balapin yang hakate ke jaka. Kani ke MLCP ke badan hadu prakerdan lasna ke jinglut kepala kot syadu ndriu poin san kulur tingka berkangyam hadu sanpu prateli ki kali. Hakani ke jaka lapendon kami ki bor traikam balatip kom ki automated retrieval system ban pentikna ba enla ban pendon kami ke jaka hakarukom ke babyang bat ban stat ke jing penyeng kali hakani ke surok ke bakapnya ke badan ha sekretariat. Hakasngi kebalapli ka umenteri rangba ulapen pau bakadan ke jingtmu banbu hadu kendai teli ke jaka penyengkali ke babun kerdan hakabalak mi lenti begini ke jaka penyengkali kenla banyam hadu khatlai spa teli ke kali hakanong ba barok kawe. Ke West Jantia Hills District, kala penlong ya ke program ke Arsngi ha District Library Auditorium Mentong Jawai na ke benta ki nong hikai hakeleng ke district. Kani ke program la penlong da ke North East Center Equity Action on Integrated Development ha ke jingis nok tilang bat ka Samagra Shiksha bat ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy Meghalaya ha ke jingyo jingkershan na ke HDFC Bank CSR Parivartan. Yakani ka program la penle jingbot halor kapang empowering students to solve real community problems ban kentio ya kapuli puthi daga jing ai jing hikai yakinong hikai bat ban penon kami guru kom hikai batmai haki kampra kelas u director jangka NE8 u Rahul Sahu ula ai jingmot halor ka hackathons bakentup ya ka jing thau ya ka kin huon bat ka jing yamer jing mod ban kin tiwe ki khna pule bat ban ai ka jing nang jing tip halor ka maryang I district school education officer Iwa Isa Sumer ila ong bagajing penlong jang ka district ya ka ni ka program kalong ban kin tiwe ku rukom hikai bat ka puli puthi ila benrap ru Baka nika sin jam kaya day baga jing temu jangka National Education Policy arajar arpau.
However, if we want to have training for long session, we need to have flexible.
Our problem statement is to improve washroom access and experience for users. So, what are the problems in the long queue?
With parallel seats and also cushions so that we can sit for longer time. And each seat will have a foldable desk arm. We know that. Got a question number 2. I can see stage clearly. So after discuss with our members, these are the solutions we found. So what we would like to suggest here is that
I understand as teachers, you have your own primary duties and responsibilities, which I understand that if this type of program is to be organized, initially you might think that it will rob you of your time, because as teachers we know that we always have a very important time schedule to complete, apart from various other programs, government programs, which today proves to be very challenging. However, let us know that a program like this will build more skills in you, will be able to shape you better, because it is a program which is done, which is to be organized in close alignment with the National Education Policy and EP 2020.
Mentapat inya pai, shiki kubor nakatan siya tay lamingi. Sangut ki pulit komando jangka Assam kila mensaw hakapor syaban kenjat syai nakadaw jangka jing sya tombor hakile no jangka United Liberation Front of Assam Independent hatin Sukya District bat yakite ki pulit komando la penkit no sya Assam Medical College banyo ke jing Sumar kani ke jing sya tombor kalaja hakapor arba jimen stamp hakibenta jangka snong jagun hakabakan ni kakin hunle no kalakam ya ke jing don kti hakati ke jing ja kat kum ka kai pot ki pulen ki bamen saw menta ki dang yo ya ka jing Sumar ba kum ta la pen khlan ya ka jing pahara ha ka te jaka hadien ka te jing ja Menteri Rangba Kajila Assam Uhimanta Biswas Sarma minta kasni ulakaren halor kajing Suba Sya Tombor balale dakakin hun le no United Liberation Front of Assam Independent yaka ketempulit hatin Sukya District hakabakat tu katni ki pulit komando kila mensaw. Menteri Rangba ula pentip balabut dien bahaya kata kajingja bat pentikna ban shim ya kasien jam ki badai ban pentikna ya kajing shngan jung ki pulit bat bandon huru kasukasan. Ulapit baniaru ya kilat pahara hadin balaja katiga jingja bat batha ikibrio ke sarkar banle ke badan kam lanam pen klanyi ki bor pahara ha katiga jaka hadin gajing sya tambor haswa ban kinjat shai hajagun
ना हुए हैं काफी निंदनीय है आर्मी और पुलिस मिलके काउंटर इंसर्जेंसी ऑपरेशन लॉन्च किया है मेरा लगता है कि जो लोगों ने भी ये काम किया है वो पकड़ में आ ही जाएगा
tunganya pet mentai ki kubor nakalengkari Menteri Rang Badu Kari Unavendra Modi ulalong kli nong sinshar balas lamtam haka jangka sorkar hai India haka baga jing sinshar jong u kalakot shaka prahajar kendais pa laipawais ngi bala tamru yu Menteri Rang Ba ka jelas Sikkim upawan Kumar Chamling kani kalong kum umaumer ubakirpang haka sanhima hai India kaba pen I baka jing beteng jangka jing sinshar jong u lakalong haka sorkar jela baka sorkar pedeng Umudi udairu Menteri Rang Badu baningkong banjab hadu laisien kenti haki election Lok Sabha bar haswa kani ulalong ru Menteri Rang Ba ubaslam tam ka jingsen syar hakari kani ka pen I ya ka jingjab haka rukom jet nong mi khmat ka bayai ne ba ka jing beteng haka jinglong nong yalam habaro kini kisnam Kajingatai ka Bharat Electricity Summit 2018 ka banjur halor ka jing dankam jengki projek hydroelectric ban kintiu ya ka yok ka kat hakathan vilum kinong kren kila banjur bakini ki projek kilong ban kintiu ya ki jaka sumar ka puli puthi ba ka jing ai kam ai jam ban rat ding khong ya ka jing duk ka jing kintiu ya ki school ba ki hospital bat ka yau ka hat haringkat ba ka jing ai kam ai jam hakathan ba ka jing ai ya ki jaka kilong ki bakong san hakani ka summit la banjur ru halor ka jing dankam yiki sien jam kum ka local area development fund LEDF bat ka corporate social responsibility lani CSR ban ai jing ka shan yaka yo ka kat hakathan nakabenta ka jing sinshar balai loy baka jing yo jing arap naka sorkar pedeng hakaba kila ong baka la bandon ki jing e naka jing pedang naki pat ba ka jing yo jaka ba kiwe kani ka jing yatai ka laban juru ya ka jing dankam ka jing snok tilang hapadeng ka sorkar jila ba ki nong pendrai kamtam na ka benta ka pumped storage projects haga jila Mizoram ban Meghalaya
We all know that hydro projects are developed in hilly remote areas and people living there are indigenous tribal people. But unfortunately, they are lacking this formal education, apparently because of non-availability of educational institutions. Similar is the case in health sector. There is hardly any medical facility in those areas. But once hydro project starts development, hydro developer immediately they start school, hospital, market, bank, and immediately after that, local people, they start sending their kids to those schools. They come to the hospitals. So basically, these two parameters, health and medical, those two parameters improve a lot within 3-4 years.
But mentapan in pai shiki kubor na kaleng ka perthai Presiden jangkari US Donald Trump hakasing sajan ula berngam maun penjulor yaka jaka penmi boarding ka Iran lada ka Tehran kampelat yaka Strait of Hormuz hapo ka saupo prakenta ka balawanra yaka jinga kenar ka bejur haka vinsan social media utram ula maham baka jing bomla ban plebyang pura da ka basuk yaka linti kitmar kalaban wanra yaka jing thombor yaki bor penmi ding jang ki Iran haka jing ai jubab Unified Combatant Command jang ki Iran ulaong baga jing thombor ya ki jaka penmi umpnyang baga jaka penmi boarding kan sayalam sya jing thombor ya ka jaka penmi boarding jang ki US hakathan katkom ka jing yo lum na katilong kubor na Iran hakas ngi ublay ka jinglong jingman kalakta jur ya ka jingat linti jang ki jihad lingba ka Strait of Hormuz kabade ka jaka ya linti jang ki jihad kit umpnyang bat kitendong gas kajingkhang ya kanika linti kalak ta'jur ya kayaw haperthay hakaba kador jong kagas kalanang kiyo hakini kisingi baladam Mentanginya pai si kubor ya lekai. Ka Central Ribhoi Cricket Association CRCA kala penlong ya ka first Central Ribhoi Cricket League hamadan Umsning Sports and Cultural Ground kabalong ka jingel ikay cricket peningkong du Haribhoi District. Ya kani kalimpong la play do James PK Sangma ubalong u President jang ka Meghalaya Cricket Association ubalong ru ukongsan hakatikasngi. Hakasngi play ya kani kalimpong ka Best of the Best Umyam Cricket Club kala penliam ya ka Bendris Cricket Club dan Rio Wicket. Ka Bendris Cricket Club kala yo shispa arpo praran nakabentak handai wicket haka arpo over kat bak Umyam Cricket Club kala yo shispa le pulai run haka katsan point saw over dasa wicket haka ni kalimpong u President jangka MCA ulale jungo ru yaka jaka balaai shaka CRCA yaka dorbash nong umsning nong thamai nakabenta ga jing penpha yaka madan cricket.
On behalf of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, thank them from the bottom of my heart for this lovely initiative that they are taking, for the kind of contribution that they are making to cricket in our state, not just in Central Ribhoi, but for the entire state, and for the opportunity that they are giving to all the cricketers, the amount of talent that is available in this district to all those players. It is our bounden duty to support cricket at the grassroots level and to help cricket grow and to help our players find an opportunity to not just develop and bring up cricket in their own respective districts, but also to one day, as was mentioned by Bardon, to wear the blue jersey of our great nation.
Yaka Biking Challenge 5.0 Open Category XCO Mountain Biking Race Competition la penlong ha West Giantia Hills bala penya daka West Giantia Adventure and Cycling Association haka jinges nok tilang bat ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya. Kani kalimpong kala penlong hakeleng katririat kli lingcha yingkyang nar bat kimus nyang hajuwai. Haga jing play perda ya kani kalimpong laya dan langru Rudolph E. Lalu ubadai usap inspector jangka supply department haringkat bat I Mayward Gendia ibadai I senior manager ka SBI Live bat kiwei pat kid khot jangka seng. Haga ni jing yakun uvedulen shadab ula job hakakerdan ka beningkong kat ba udalen mi sana ula job hakakerdan ka baar bat ubat mi kendat hakakerdan kabalai hakabaladan khat arngut kinong yishim benta hakani ka jing yakun ka jing tpu jang kani ka lempong ka long ban kintiu ya ka jing le ka sport ka ru kom im ka bakot pakhya bat ka kam jingo kai hakathan
volunteer. Kerpang. Kerpang ready. Kerpang.
Umak Marquis ulayo ra ya kanam la do haka Brazilian Grand Prix sprint race haka singi sajan hading gajing penliam ya u Fabio di Gian Antonio haka basdang u di Gian Antonio ulalam shakmat Hendray nagajing bakla haka jaka kabakhat ar kabapenlong ya u Marquis banlam shakmat uni unongnya dugati ulala banpoy haka khat khandai minute southway point khandai pra r second kabalatam ya udi Gian Antonio dan0.R lai second kat ba u George Martin ulapoi hak kerdan ke belai bat u Marco Bezecchi ulajap hak kerdan ke pesau. Kani kalong ke jingjap beningkong jong Marquez hadien ke jingkedia ke terpeng ke diang jong u hak Indonesian Grand Prix ke bala long ha u benai risau ba ke jingjap beningkong jong u hak San Marino Grand Prix ke bala long ha u benai nai luar.
I didn't expect to win this sprint sprint race, especially because I saw in qualifying practice that Fabio Di Gianantonio was super fast in a constant way, and I was struggling a bit more. But yeah, on the race, step by step during the laps, I start to feel better and better. This helps me a bit to start to understand better the way to ride the bike, and yeah, in one point, I say that, or I was thinking that it will be impossible to catch him. But then in the last part of the sprint, I start to feel better. It looks like with the used tire, I feel better than the new tire.
Timentapan nga nyapay ikajing lang jingman kasun beneng hakalang ibenta jang kajala. Hatura kajing kreat kalong 100 degree Celsius bagajing shet kalong 40 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka haw men takasngi kalong 3.0 nakashispa kajing hap slap kalong R.0 mm haba pai pat chenong ba shalong kajing kreat kalong 10 degree Celsius bagajing shet kalong khat khandai degree Celsius kajing sngam ka haw men takasngi kalong nyop khandai nakashispa kajing hap slap kalong lai point khandai mm kat bahajo waipan kajing kreat kalong 40 degree Celsius bagajing shet kalong khat khandai degree Celsius kajing sngam ka haw men takasngi kalong prapho nakashispa kajing hap slap kalong 20.3 mm kasun beneng kandum lo pat slap malumala habun ki jaka hatura shillong bajawai Syabangin poi syakabukut jang katup kubor nganyapit biang sasisian iki mat ki bakongsan Pan unang yalam kaliang persya umukul sangma bandan daka Commission of Inquiry hagajing kenat havilum garo keno badko kajing terekam bajing bom sutnyau hakasan hima Kintaj unang yalam kaliang persya halor kajing keno ya terelang baka National People's Party ulaong bagajing terelang ha GHADC Cooperation kadai namar kidaw bomlaban kiar Tambor ka kinhun lekno ka United Liberation Front of Assam Independent ya ka ketempulit hatin sukya mensaw sawut ki pulit komando malapin kit iki sa Assam Medical College. Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ulalong ukli nong yalam balabat slam tam ya ka kam nong sinsyar India tam wadi upawan Kumar Chamling hakabaga jing sinsyar jong u kalapoi syaka prahajar kandai spa lai puis ngi Ti parlo katung ilapoi syaka pukut jang kani katup kubor mentaka janmit tat hadu bangin syambiang bat pi la syai kasngi hakapor nyo beji janmit kublai pi baro